Sometimes when you're solving problems with similar figures, it makes it easier to reposition them before you solve it. So this one that I'm redrawing in blue, I'm going to put off to the side here, making special note of where those angle marks are. And the little guy on the bottom, when I redraw it, I'm not going to redraw it the same way. We need to flip it upside down so those angle markings match up. And once you see where the angle markings are, then we could put the numbers back in. The top numbers would be the same exact spots, but on the bottom with the red triangle, the 15 which started on the bottom is now on the top, and the 12 ends up on the other side when you rotate it like this. And we're going to look for the corresponding sides. Now the corresponding sides 63 and 15 would be the first ratio. And the other pair of corresponding sides will compare x to 12 in a ratio. It's important that you're consistent. So since I went from the big triangle to the little triangle as the top and the bottom, we're going to do that with the x and the 12 as well. And from here on in, it's a proportion, and you solve it however you normally do. So we're going to multiply 15 times x and solve this algebraically. 63 times 12. This is where you might need a calculator. That's fine. And it's just a one-step inverse operation. We divide by 15. X equals 50 and 4/10. And don't forget the units. In this case, they're yards. And that is how it's done. Until next time, Math Jedis.